Have you ever wondered why some people online make thousands of dollars every single week without inventory, without packing boxes, and without even touching a single product? What if I told you that you could create an online store today using free AI tools and start selling products even if you've never designed anything before? Just imagine waking up in the morning, checking your phone, and seeing that you made money in your sleep because your supplier printed, packed, and shipped everything automatically. Sounds unreal, right? Well, by the end of this video, you'll see exactly how simple and real this is. So stick with me, because this free course might actually become the turning point in your online income journey. Hey, future millionaires, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm giving you a complete free course on how to start your own print-on-demand business using only AI. No inventory, no upfront risk, no design skills, and no complicated tech. And the best part? People are literally making thousands of dollars per week with this exact method. All I ask in return for teaching what most gurus charge thousands for is just tap that like button and subscribe so I can keep creating free courses like this for you. So, let's begin. First of all, we need to generate your brand idea, niche, slogans, designs, and product concepts. We'll be using ChatGPT for all of this. Start by going to ChatGPT and type something like, "Give me print-on-demand product ideas for dog lovers with fun slogans, image concepts, and design styles." In seconds, you'll get a whole list of creative ideas like, "I work hard so my dog can have a better life. Dog hair is my glitter. Minimal paw print designs, retro dog graphics, and so on." Once you find a style you like, tell ChatGPT to generate brand name ideas. Just say, "Give me 20 unique brand names for a dog lover print-on-demand store that aren't already taken." Pick the name that matches your vibe. After that, go back to your design idea and ask AI to generate the actual artwork. Say, "Create a simple, funny, cute design with the slogan, 'I work hard so my dog can have a better life.'" ChatGPT will create one version for you, and while that's loading, you can open another free tool like Nano Banana and generate a second version. Choose whichever image looks most print-ready and save it. Now you have your slogan, your design, your niche, and your brand name, and we're ready to build the store. The second method is setting up your online store using Hostinger and Printful. Hostinger is not just a regular website builder. It's a full AI-powered store creator that lets you launch a professional branded store in minutes. And unlike other platforms that charge $20, $30 every month plus transaction fees, Hostinger charges 0% transaction fees. Choose the business plan around $3.99 per month when billed for 48 months, because that's the one that includes the full e-commerce system plus a free domain. Once you get the plan, Hostinger will ask you to describe your website. Enter your brand name, your niche, what you're selling, and a short description. The AI will build your entire website for you: homepage, layout, fonts, images, everything. Choose your domain name, ideally something like your brand. Store. Select your color palette, something bright and fun for the dog niche. After that, integrate Printful. It takes less than 30 seconds. Just go to More, then Integrations, then add Printful and authorize it. This connects your website to your print-on-demand supplier so everything becomes automated. Now click Create Product. Choose a t-shirt, hoodie, mug, whatever you want. Upload the AI design you created earlier. Apply it to the product, choose colors, choose mock-ups, and then name your product. When pricing, Printful will show you the cost. If the shirt costs $11, set your sale price at $25, $30. You'll make around $14 profit per sale. Then click Generate Product Details, use the AI writer to create your description, adjust the tone, and save it. Your product will appear instantly in your online store. Before we continue, if this video is helping you, make sure you smash the like button and hit subscribe because I make full free e-commerce tutorials every single week. Now let's customize your website. Go to Edit Website. Replace the banner video, choose a better dog video, update the layout for mobile, and make sure everything looks clean. Add pages using AI like About Us, Contact, Shipping Policy, Refund Policy, and FAQs. The AI automatically creates the entire content for you, and you can edit if needed. Once everything looks good, click Publish, and your store is officially live. Now, this is the part nobody teaches, but it's the most important: how to get sales. A store without traffic is like a shop in the desert. You need people to see your products. I built my stores without running a single ad. Everything came from organic marketing. The third method is promoting your store using free organic strategies that actually work. Start posting TikTok videos, Instagram Reels, Pinterest pins, and dog niche short-form content. Use lifestyle clips, AI-generated dog videos, funny captions, and fast-paced storytelling. Use AI tools to make videos, edit them, write captions, and even script short viral posts. Focus on your niche: dog moms, dog dads, funny dog owner struggles, relatable dog humor. This is how your store begins to get attention. Before moving on, tap the like button again and subscribe, because the next strategies I'm sharing are the exact ones people used from my previous tutorials to make their first online income. Now let me give you some advanced AI tools to speed up your growth. Use AI video generators to make product promo videos. Use caption tools to write descriptions. Use trend trackers to find trending dog videos. Use AI auto-replies to answer customer questions. Use email automation tools to send welcome messages, abandoned cart recovery messages, thank you emails, and promotional offers. This makes your business run almost hands-free. At this point, you have a niche, a brand, AI-designed products, an automated supplier, a complete website, product listings, marketing content, and a full organic growth strategy. You're more prepared than 90% of people who try to start online businesses. And here's the truth: the people who succeed with online stores are not the smartest or the most talented. They're simply the ones who start. You've seen thousands of beginners turn simple designs into real income. They started with one product, one design, one upload. If they can do it, you absolutely can too. If this free course helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which niche you're choosing. I try to reply to as many comments as possible because I want to help you succeed. Wishing you massive success with your print-on-demand business. I'll see you in the next free course. Bye, everyone.